Hi, I'm going to show you how to make mango yogurt smoothie with Eri Silk Pupae powder protein. Let's start with all 5 ingredients. We have today a whole fruit of mango and some pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of Eri Silk Pupae powder protein, 1 whole cup of yogurt, and a little bit on top of mint. Also 1 glass of ice. Now let's put it all together in the blender. We put all the mangoes in the blenders. And then the Eri Silk Pupae powder protein. Now we're just gonna take some pinch of salt. Not too much because I don't like it too salty. And then we put it in the ice. Close the lid, and here we go. And here we're done. Now let's put it all in the glass. But before that, let's put some yogurt into the glass first. So we'll have the spoon ready, and we'll just put some yogurt in here first. I think we have to be more careful to make it all looking pretty. So we'll make it into a little layer so it will be looking nice. This menu is very refreshing and for every day. It's great for drinking when you're tired and want to refresh yourself. And of course, we got some protein in it too. On top of it, we'll just put some little tiny mint on it. I think this one is cute. There you go. And here our smoothie is finished. So let's have a sip. I can't believe this tastes good and also very healthy.